fishing in a reservoir today, and oh, no way, dude. Dude, that was first cast. Yes, smallmouth. Guys, we got a nice smallmouth on. First cast on the Vinsky blade. He inhaled it. Check that out. That's a nice fish. Just hooked up with this guy on the Vinsky blade bait. Nice smallmouth. Alright guys, check out the comparison to this fish that the smallmouth just spit out and the Vinsky blade that I'm using right now. Imitating the pattern right now, match the hatch. That's how we do it. Let's get this guy back. Oh, William has a fish on. Nice. Oh, dude, that looks like a nice fish. It's a largemouth. Nice spawned up largemouth. William just got him on the X-Wrap. Shadow wrap, actually. Nice one. Sweet. William's first fish of the day. Many more to come. Oh, William has another fish. Hey. Dude, that jerkbait's killing it right now. 2 fish in a row. That was his cast right after. Nice one. You sure that's not the same fish? Man, healthy bass. Nice fish. Got one. Yeah, but oh no! No, just lost him. William has another fish. Are you kidding me? It's a crappie. Dude, that's a monster crappie. William has a huge crappie on right now, guys. Holy shit. Holy shit. Look at the bait compared to this crappie. That's a gargantuan crappie.
That's the biggest crappie I've ever seen.
Dude. That's like a dinner plate right there. That's why they call them panfish. Got one. Nice fish. Smallmouth again on the Vinsky blade. Here he is. Just got him right by this rock structure right here. Got one. Another fish on the Vinsky blade. Feels like a smallmouth. Oh, look at that jump out there. Nice fish. Another jump. Hey. Man, smallmouth really fight hard. Oh, he got off. Got one. Feels like a nice fish. Oh yes, guys. Nice bass on here. Not sure if it's a smallmouth. I think it is though. Nope, largemouth. Nice one. Let's get him in. Nice bass. See the tail right there? It's all red. He's been bedding. Beautiful fish. William just got a real nice bass on a shadow wrap again. I didn't catch it on video, but he caught it right over here by a couple of rocks, right by the roots there. Nice fish. Got one. Yo, William. Nice smallmouth. Hey, nice fish. William has a fish. Doubling up right here. I just got a smallmouth. What does William have? Dude, it's a smallie. This is a big one. That's a nice fish. Let's get him in. Nice double up right here. Beautiful smallmouth. I'd say mine's a bit bigger, but nice. Alright, let's get him back. Double release.